conversation with Han Yeon-sung, Jin Na-young decided to become even stronger. She prepared extreme measures to not lose Han Yeon-sung. Jin Na-young investigated Han Yeon-sung's past to identify his weaknesses and exploit them. At the same time, she used her family background to pressure Han Yeon-sung and devise a plan to create difficulties for his business. Jin Na-young met with Han Yeon-sung's business partners through her connections to tarnish his image. She coldly moved forward with the thought that if she wanted a divorce, she would make him lose everything. However, Han Yeon-sung was not idle either. He quietly took actions to stay one step ahead of Jin Na-young, noticing her movements. Han Yeon-sung hired a secret lawyer to gather evidence for a favorable position in the divorce lawsuit against Jin Na-young. He investigated Jin Na-young's family to identify her weaknesses and legally suppress her. As this situation continued, the conflict between them deepened and had a significant impact on the people around them. Meanwhile, Kim Mari and Chae Uri prepared themselves to accept the new truth as they returned from the temple. Chae Uri was initially confused after learning about his biological father, but he gradually calmed his heart with Kim Mari's sincere comfort and love. Kim Mari taught Chae Uri gratitude towards Han Jin-tae, realizing that true family is formed by the heart, not by blood. Chae Uri and Kim Mari sincerely expressed their gratitude to Han Jin-tae and prepared to accept him as their new father. Throughout this process, Chae Sun-young continued to carry deep wounds in her heart. She made efforts to understand and accept Chae Uri and Kim Mari's relationship, but found it difficult to give up her role as a mother. Eventually, Chae Sun-young confided in Kang Woo-chang about her concerns. Kang Woo-chang comforted her and made her realize that true happiness comes from Chae Uri's happiness. He resolved to respect Chae Uri's choices and help Chae Sun-young find her own happiness. Kang Woo-chang gradually stood up against the people around Chae Sun-young to protect her. He was prepared to do anything for Chae Sun-young's happiness. On the other hand, Han Jin-tae approached Kim Mari and Chae Uri with even more dedication, forming a new family relationship. He made efforts to show that true family means understanding and supporting each other. Finally, as Jin Na-young's plan were gradually revealed, the people around Han Yeon-sung became aware of her dangerous intentions. Han Yeon-sung faced an unexpected crisis as the secrets from Jin Na-young's past related to a certain region were exposed. However, in this crisis, he formed a new alliance to thwart Jin Na-young's plans. Through this process, Jin Na-young's past and her true intentions were revealed, and the story raced towards its climax. Now, Jin Na-young, Han Yeon-sung, and the people around them are at a crucial moment where their choices will determine their fate. With heightened anticipation, we await to see who will emerge as the winner and what ending awaits their story.
'Cause you are beautiful.